Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Today we're looking at the spin and dry mop from Casabella. Got the mop head, nice soft mop head. Now this is replaceable. If you want to clean it, you can take it off. If you want to replace it, you can do that as well. This is a plastic, kind of a hard plastic cylinder. Almost like a vinyl feel up here. Got this lever, metal. The grip here is plastic again, and this is plastic right here. I guess you could hang that up if you wanted to. The instructions, pretty easy to follow, even has pictures here, make it even easier to understand. So let me go ahead and set up on a tripod. I think this is going to be an interesting mop cleaning video today, so let's go ahead and set up and I'll show you how it works. We have the mop and dry head now in the plastic cylinder. Our handle is fully extended. Let me back up and say I'm sure everyone has a different method on how they mop or a different bucket that they like to use. I'm going to just use a bucket of soapy water, probably warm water. I'm going to introduce the clean mop head into that water and then pull it out, put it on the floor, start mopping. I really don't like to pull it directly out, put it on the floor, because it's just too much water that flops on the floor. So when I pull it out of the bucket, I kind of like to squeeze it. Now I do have one of those buckets where you have the handle that will squeeze it. But if I'm doing a small job like today, I may just use my hands and squeeze it, some of the soapy water out before putting it on the floor. So that's how I do it. That's how I'm going to try to do it with this mop today. So let me show you the probably the genius maybe of how all this works with this. Now I'm going over this for the first time, so I'm kind of learning myself. So to begin mopping, to get the mop head out, it's fully extended. Lever is pulled all the way in. We just push it from the back here. We just push the mop head out like that. So that works great. All right, so now we dip our head into the bucket of water, and as I explained, go through that process. Let's say now we want to rinse, or maybe we want to put it in the soapy water again, but we don't want to flop it on the floor. We want to get it a little dry. Instead of squeezing it this time, what we can do is unlatch it here, that lever, pull it in like that, and then just pump it. And when it's spinning like you see, that's drying it. Of course, you're not going to be doing that over the floor. You're going to be doing that over your bucket with a up and down movement. And the water, should be going into the bucket. And when you do that, however many times you want to do it, maybe 2 times. If you want it really super dry, you may want to do it, more. Then go back over. Well, let's see, we pull it straight out. Now we clip that, and then we push the mop back out like that, and we can, go over and dry our floor with fresh water, 2 or 3 times, however many times you want to do it. I generally do it maybe twice. And floor is good. Tell people, not to walk on it, and generally after 10 minutes it's dry. So this thing is working just like the instruction says that it does. So I'm excited now to start mopping for the first time. So let's go ahead and get some water, some soap, and our bucket. Okay, we're getting ready to put some fresh water on, and I'm really going to want to spin dry it to keep the floor from staying wet so long. So let's go ahead and move on to that. Okay, so instead of using a freshwater bucket, since I'm in the bathroom here, I'm just going to use the tub. Look at all that water. Okay, that's where we want it, right there. And let's start drying our floor. Okay, we're finishing up. Let's go ahead and get all the water out. And we are practically dry. If we want to wash the mop or replace the head, we can remove it. Just get a grip on it right here, another grip down here on the pole, and just turn the pole counterclockwise while holding it firmly here. And we're ready to replace. Putting it back on, just the opposite. Getting it ready for next time, just pull it in and we can set it aside to wherever we want to put it, maybe hang it up if we want to. That's going to be it for the spin and dry. Thanks for watching the video. This is Casabella. Hope it's been helpful. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.